Have you ever wondered how to make money with Google News? It's a question that has crossed many digital marketers' minds. Google News is a powerful tool in the world of digital marketing, providing real-time updates from numerous global sources. Amidst the information age, it has become a vital platform for staying informed. Not just that, it also holds the potential to be a steady stream of income. So, how exactly can you use Google News to your financial advantage? Stick around to find out. The first step to making money with Google News is to have a website. It sounds basic, but it's crucial. Your website acts as your digital storefront, and its structure and content can make or break your success. It should be well organized and user-friendly, making it easy for visitors to navigate and find what they're looking for. But it's not just about looks. Your website should also be a hub for fresh, unique content. Regularly updating your website with engaging articles or blog posts is vital. This is because Google loves fresh content, and it's one of their criteria for including websites in their newsfeed. Moreover, your content should be original. Google values unique content and can penalize duplicate or plagiarized articles. Also, remember to focus on news-oriented content, as Google News is, after all, a news service. Once you have a website that meets Google's standards, you're ready for the next step. The next step is to get your site included in the Google News feed. This is where the Google News Publisher Center comes in. Think of it as your golden ticket into the world of Google News. Applying is straightforward, yet requires attention to detail. Begin by signing into the Publisher Center with your Google account. Then, click Add Publication and fill out the necessary details about your website. But remember, it's not just about filling in the blanks. Google has guidelines that you must adhere to. These include ensuring original content, transparent information about your site's ownership and authorship, and more. Complying with these guidelines increases your chances of approval. After your site is approved, you're one step closer to making money with Google News. Now that your site is on Google News, the final step is to monetize your content. Enter Google AdSense, a tool that allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your website. Here's how it works. When visitors click on these ads, you get paid. It's as simple as that. But it's not just about the clicks. The more traffic your site attracts, the higher the revenue potential. Think of it as a snowball effect. The more your audience grows, the more ads get displayed, and the more money you can make. It's a significant income source that rewards consistent, high-quality content. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money with Google News. Remember, consistency and quality are key to success. That's it for our guide on making money with Google News. We've walked you through the process of setting up a website, applying to Google News Publisher Center, and monetizing your site with Google AdSense. It might seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, the potential for earnings is significant. We encourage you to take these steps and start your journey to monetizing your content. Remember, the key to success is consistency and quality. So keep producing high-quality content that will attract more visitors to your site. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.